Me. Hey, what's going on, guys? What's up and welcome. On this video, we're going to be checking out the latest update to the Asus ROG Phone 2. Alright, so it's been a major update. It gives us VOLTE support. Also, get ready, people. We have 90 FPS for PUBG Mobile. And we also have a few notable changes and upgrades, which is kind of cool. But the best feature of all is VOLTE. So if you're rocking Metro, T-Mobile, or if you're in India rocking BSNL, that VOLTE support is right up your alley, buddy. So if you're ready to upgrade, just a few little notable changes. Let's go over them real quick. We have a security patch for December. We also have a support upgrade for the Cool 3 gamepad controller, which also works with the ROG Phone 2, if I believe I'm correct. We also have a new feature in the game Genie, which gives you touch support for touch locking. We have support, like I said, for the US, Metro, and T-Mobile, VOLTE, and also India, BSNL, VOLTE. We have support for 90 FPS. I'm guessing that's for a majority of other games, not just PUBG Mobile for the new update. We also have a fixed issue with WhatsApp crashing. We also have a fix for notifications not popping up in certain applications. Now, if you're curious on if you have this update currently, all you have to do is just swipe down on your phone, make sure you're connected on Wi-Fi. Just hit the little gear icon. Once you do, just scroll down, head on down to System. Once you do, you're going to click on System Update. Just give it a second. It'll be checking what's your current version. Now, currently, the most up-to-date version that you can be on is 17.0240.2012.65. So last number should be 65. The previous version was 49. And remember, this is for WW, meaning worldwide. If you're looking for the China version or the CN version, I'm not too sure if that's out at this current moment. So if you're looking for the WW, which is worldwide, this is right up your alley. All right, now let's say if that doesn't work, I'll have a link to the Asus website down in the video description. Also, if you guys are curious on how the gameplay is and emulation and other things like controllers along with this bad boy, just hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments. And with that said, thanks for watching.